Welcome, friends! It's a beautiful day in the garden and I'm so happy to see you. Today we're going to learn all about container gardening. What is container gardening? Container gardening is when we grow plants in containers. While plants typically grow in the ground, in water, or even on trees, we can also grow plants in containers. Container gardening also helps us grow lots of plants in small spaces. There are so many different types of containers that can be used, and lots of different plants grow in containers. Are you ready to learn about container gardening with me? Yeah? That's great! Let's go learn about container gardening together. Guess what? We're going to go on a field trip to learn about container gardening. We're going to go to St. Kitts. Do you know where St. Kitts is? St. Kitts is an island in the Caribbean. It's a beautiful place with mountains, coconut trees, and monkeys. Have you ever seen a monkey before? I love monkeys. Are you ready to go with me? Okay, come on, let's go. Check this out. This used to be a water jug, but now it's a home for a plant. Now look at the bottom of the container. Here we have drainage holes. This allows the water to run through the container and not get trapped at the bottom. Too much water can keep the plant from growing. So drainage holes let the plant grow. Is container gardening only for little plants? No! Check this out. This kale plant has been growing for a while, and now that it's mature, the leaves are ready to eat. Now check this out. These plants started in containers, but now they're also in the ground. Here's it, Mr. Lizard. Do you know what kind of plant this is? This is corn. Do you like to eat corn? I do. There are different types of corn and different ways to eat them. You can have popcorn, tortillas, or just have the corn on the cob. What's your favorite way to eat corn? Check this out. Now I'm inside a greenhouse. And one of the things that's really cool about container gardening is they can grow inside, outside, and in greenhouses. No matter what kind of space you have, you can grow plants. One of my favorite things about gardening is that it's for everyone. Whether you have a big space, a small space, it doesn't matter. All you need are plants, creativity, and some kindness. Wow, look at all these peppers growing. They're going to be delicious. Big one. I spy a tomato. Do you see a tomato? It's right here. What can you grow in containers? You can grow anything. You can grow herbs, fruits, vegetables, even flowers. Container gardens are versatile. Seeing all these containers reminds me that I can plant whatever I want. What are you going to plant? It's time to practice our camel pose. Let's start by sitting on our heels. Then straighten your knees and lift yourself up. Put your hands on your lower back and arch backwards. Can you look behind you too? Okay, take a deep breath. In and out. Now relax back down. Awesome! We just practiced our camel pose. Camel pose is a great way to stretch and get moving. Welcome back to the garden. Did you have fun learning about container gardening in St. Kitts? I did. What was your favorite part? Mine was learning about how many different things are growing in the containers. Do you want to learn some more about containers? Let's do a garden activity. Come on. Today we're going to turn these food containers into planters. Remember, all we need to garden are plants, containers, creativity, and some kindness. Now let's get started. It's really important that our containers are ready for their plants and that they have some drainage holes. So make sure you have an adult help you get your containers ready. If you look now, there are no holes for the water to flow through, but we're going to change that. Watch this. That's not great for the plants. Currently, these plants are living in water, but when we transition them to the planters, they'll be living in soil. So that means they'll need drainage holes. I just modified my containers, so now they're ready for plants. As you can see, I cut the top off of this one, and I added drainage holes, so now the plant can sit happily and it won't drown in water. Our containers are ready, so let's get planting. Here we have a tomato propagation, and here we have Malabar spinach. The next thing I do is fill up the planter, and I'm going to dig a little hole in the center so I can place the propagation. Let's go. added soil to the top so all the roots are covered, and now it's ready for some water. And I like to use the water it's been living in because it's like moving with your furniture. It's time for the spinach. Now that I have some soil in the planter, I'm going to take the propagations and sit them down on top of the soil, and then I'll simply add soil on top of that. Wow! Look at all these roots! And now we're going to add some water. Great job! We did it! We just planted some propagations into some containers. Remember, you can start a garden anywhere. You just need some creativity.
Let's sing the Garden Friends song. Get ready! Do you like to hop in the garden? Yes, I like to hop. I like to hop like a frog in the garden. Hop, hop, hop. Do you like to fly in the garden? Yes, I like to fly. I like to fly like a bird in the garden. Fly, fly, fly. Do you like to climb in the garden? Yes, I like to climb. I like to climb like a squirrel in the garden. Climb, climb, climb.
Are you having fun learning about container gardening? I am. Let's go learn some more. I think we have different containers in the garden. Let's go see what we can find. This is my blueberry bush, and it's in a barrel. It used to be a big barrel, but it got cut in half and turned into a planter. And now it's a great home for my blueberry bush. Here we have a cloth planter, and we have some squash and papaya growing. Take a look at this cucumber plant. Would you believe it? It's growing in a 5-gallon bucket that was turned into a planter. Take a look at this container. It's hanging in the air. I took the container and I put it inside of what's called macrame, and I hung it from the pergola. Are all containers circular? No. Take a look at these. They're rectangular. With so many different types of containers, including the ones you can make yourself, there are endless possibilities for gardening. Would you start a container garden? If so, what would you grow? Are you ready to have some fun? Let's move like things in the garden. Do you see this tree? Let's stand like a tree. Wow, you're such a strong tree. The wind is blowing. Can you sway in the wind? Now the wind is blowing really hard. Can you wiggle in the wind? Oh, now it's just wiggling us on one side. Can you wiggle one arm? Great job. What about the other arm? Awesome. Oh, it's blowing hard again. And it stopped. Wasn't that fun? I love moving like things in the garden. I had so much fun learning in the garden with you today. We learned all about container gardening. We took a trip to St. Kitts, we took food containers and turned them into planters, and we walked around the garden and saw lots of different types of containers. I love container gardening because it allows us to grow plants anywhere. All we need are plants, containers, creativity, and kindness. Remember, share kindness, patience, and positivity with yourself and each other so that we can all grow together. Until the next time, bye!
Yeah, you're beautiful.
He did all of this. High five.
Yeah. So everything did it.
Yes.
All right.
Great.